Well, when we have a weather day like today, right about now is the time I start getting really anxious about the drive home.
Well, you should be, because we've had a couple of live shots so far, live reports, and snow is coming down, not only here, but also Westmoreland County. Let's find out just how much we might be seeing tonight. Here's meteorologist Ray Petelin. Ray?
Yeah, and as you move south of Pittsburgh, you're going to run into some of the heavier snow. You can see how it's lining up right now. Here's Pittsburgh for reference, and as you work down south, this is where you get the darker blues coming in here, and that's an indication of some of the heavier snow. That's Parkersburg, that's just south of Cincinnati, Louisville, Kentucky, and that's what's going to cut up into some of our southern communities. It's not going to be a giant snowfall for Pittsburgh, so a little opposite of what we had the other night where it just dumped on downtown Pittsburgh and much of the region. This is going to be a little more focused to the south, although Pittsburgh will get some accumulations, which could mean some slick spots as we get this snow coming in. As it stands right now for Pittsburgh, it's a pretty light snow at this point, but it is reducing visibilities a little bit, and it's making the roadways wet, and that tells us that it's melting right now on contact. But keep in mind, lesser traveled roads will likely see a light accumulation start to form, and where you get that wet roadway from tires moving over, that could refreeze tonight as our temperatures fall down to about 20 degrees. But some of that heavier snow is already getting into western Monongalia County. That's where we have a winter weather advisory. That also includes Fayette County, Westmoreland, and Indiana counties points eastward. From the ridges of Preston up into Garrett County, we have a winter storm warning. You'll have higher snowfall accumulations, but you can even see Futurecast here is trying to pick up on a little bit of a mix, if not some freezing rain trying to mix in there. So keep in mind, it could get slick there, and your conditions will likely deteriorate as you move south and east of Pittsburgh as this system continues to lift through. 7 p.m., still some snow showers scattered around. This will be the case into midnight before the snow starts to let up a little bit up to the north. Still some pretty steady snowfall along the PA border communities as you get down into West Virginia, as you get down into Maryland. That's where the heaviest of the snow is going to be. A little lighter up here in Pittsburgh, and that moves on. By 7 a.m., still some flurries out in Westmoreland, Fayette counties down to the south. Those will clear out, and I think the rest of the day is going to be mainly cloudy. When it comes to accumulations, north of Pittsburgh, generally an inch or less, so this isn't going to be a big snow up there. 1 to 2 inches not out of the question for Pittsburgh, down to about Washington, Waynesburg, up to Greensburg. Beyond that, you start to get into the 2 to 4 inch territory. These are the communities that have the winter weather advisories associated with them. And then as you start to get up even higher in elevation, you're going to be running into that 3 to 7 inch potential by the time we get through tomorrow morning. So that's where we're going to have the biggest snows focused. Right now, temperatures are generally in the mid-20s. It is colder. This colder setup is going to continue for quite some time. So tonight, snow, the heaviest of it again, south and east of Pittsburgh. Can't emphasize that enough. 21 degrees for the overnight low. Come tomorrow, we'll get those temperatures back to about 30 degrees. Early snow and some flakes late, but generally, I think some of the heaviest snow is going to be tonight. And again, south and east of Pittsburgh. Cloudy skies through much of the day Friday. On Saturday and Sunday, more snow showers. That's not enough for you. We'll throw in a few more on Monday and Tuesday at no additional charge. Wednesday, mostly cloudy skies and 27 degrees. It's an active, cold pattern we have for the next week. And with that the case, the KDKA weather app is a great tool. If there's an alert, an advisory, a warning, whatever, it goes right to your mobile device. You can track it with the radar. Plus, there's a Futurecast built into that, all for free. Search CBS Pittsburgh in the App Store and Google Play.